You've been a good girl today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? You've been helping Mama clean the house?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know... Oh! Thanks.
Potatoes.
As I was saying. Oh. So what do good girls get? Huh?
Eggs.
Eggs? What kind of eggs?
Cock.
Let's go. Let's get those eggs. Kinder Surprise egg.
Open it.
Open it. Need help?
No, yet. I talk that.
Need help yet? Oh wow, look at that. Is that good? That's how you open it, huh?